Have you ever wondered what really happens after you master video editing? In this video, we'll talk about the results you can expect, how long it really takes to master editing, how you can make money from it, and if it's really worth the effort. Plus, I'll share my own journey and tell you why you don't have to be perfect at editing to start making money. Stay tuned till the end to hear about the challenges I faced and what's next for me. Now let's dive in and talk about what happens when you become a master at video editing. So what happens when you master video editing? Well, your videos will definitely improve. Your editing will get faster, cleaner, and more creative. But here's the catch. Just because you're good at editing doesn't mean instant success. You will face pressure to stay creative and keep up with new trends. The work becomes harder, not easier. I did some research, and top video editors work long hours and spend years improving their skills. But trust me, it's worth it in the end if you're dedicated. But being good at editing is just the start. What happens next? Let's find out. Now, how long does it actually take to master video editing? The answer isn't simple. It takes time, a lot of time. Sure, you can get good quickly, but becoming an expert might take years. There's always something new to learn, and you'll need to keep practicing. I've been editing for a while now, and I'm still learning every day. I'm not perfect yet, but I get better with each video I make. This is the reality of becoming a skilled video editor. So, now that we know it takes time, you might wonder, can you make money with video editing? Yes, you can definitely make money by editing videos. Once you get good, you can start taking on paid projects. Freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to find clients. You can earn anywhere from to 100 plus per project, depending on your experience. But don't expect to get paid well right away. It's not easy to find clients, and you'll have to keep improving to charge higher rates. The market is competitive, and you need to work hard to stand out. But here's the real question. Do you need to be perfect to start earning money? Let's find out next. Here's something that might surprise you. You don't need to be perfect to start making money. When I first started editing, I took small projects, like helping friends or making small edits. As I gained more experience, I was able to create this video and take on bigger projects. So, even if you're not perfect yet, start offering your editing services. There's always someone who needs help, and the more you practice, the better you'll get. But mastering editing isn't the only challenge. Let me tell you about the struggles I faced along the way. The truth is, mastering video editing isn't always easy. There will be days when you feel stuck or like your work isn't good enough. I've had those days too. Every editor goes through this. It's normal to face creative blocks or burnout. If you're not ready for these challenges, it's easy to give up. But if you keep going, you'll improve and it will pay off. Don't let doubt stop you. So after all this, what's next for me? What's my next step in this journey? After working on mastering editing, I'm focusing on learning new skills to earn money as an editor. Editing is just the start. There's a lot more to learn and explore. If you want to follow my journey, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll keep sharing my progress and tips. And if you want to learn more about video editing, check out the video linked here for more tips on getting started. See you in the next video.